So how are my long-term investments doing? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and that's one of the questions that I've been getting so often. So I wanted to make a video, especially on this Friday, updating you guys. I'm not too sure if you guys have been staying up to date with my overall daily recaps of my videos that I upload every single day. Every single day this week, Monday through Thursday, I was able to close the day on a green note, right? My first day on Monday was $1,000. This following day, if I'm not mistaken, was $3,000. Then I went to $2,000, and then yesterday with a little bit over $1,000. Today is Friday. I don't normally perform the best on Friday, and this is something that we have talked about so many times before, and today is no exception. I'm down $611 on the day, but one of the things that you need to take into consideration is it's actually my Tesla position that is down so much. It's $531 on the day, and on the open, I went from $2,000, I think it was like $2,500 profit, to now down $321 on the open. And it's because I've been averaging up. If you guys go back to the first time that I bought Tesla, I bought at $385 if I'm not mistaken. Right now it's sitting still at $418, but because I've averaged up so much, of course my average purchase price has gone up accordingly. Is this something that I feel uncomfortable with? No, not at all, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why. So I just wanted to make this video because I know if I explain my thought process on why I still feel comfortable holding my position, maybe it can make sense to some of you, so instead of freaking out, you guys can find a good balance. And again, if this video gets you one step closer to your overall goal, I hope that you can consider the idea of dropping a thumbs up. Also, on my Apple position, it's now down $60 on the open. On the day, it's down $123. It's not a very heavy position. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. The other two that you saw right there were my day trades. I made $126 on SQs and I lost $75. I still have an open position of 100 shares, so it's nothing crazy. So I'm just trying to keep my position size a little bit smaller today because I know I don't normally perform the best on Friday, so I'm trying to be more selective. I still think that towards the end of the day, I can still end on a green note, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll provide you guys a quick little update. But why am I not freaking out with Tesla? So today was a very unfortunate day. If you guys didn't hear the news on Tesla, I would encourage you to look a little bit more into it. And now did break below the SMA line, and there was a recall which acted as a negative catalyst, which I think is causing this more of a significant drop. We also reported earnings which originally acted as a positive catalyst and then quickly changed its overall direction. One of the main reasons that I'm not freaking out on my Tesla position is, first off, my position size. I'm in with a solid dollar amount, but I'm not in with so much that I feel uncomfortable. I know I sound like a broken record, but I know some people watching this need to hear this. If you are freaking out on your long-term plays or even on your day trades, it's the same concept where if you're trading or investing with too much money and there's a pullback and it makes you uncomfortable, that is a red flag that you are trading with too much. And it's not that it's impossible to scale to that point, but you need to gain experience and confidence to be able to tolerate that form of movement. And the second thing is, Tesla and the overall market have been pulling back. So because of that, it makes sense to me, especially working towards the election, on why we're seeing, again, a lot of inconsistencies. So I know big picture, it's only a matter of time for it to recover. And even if it does continue to drop, I will only continue to buy more. And again, that is my mentality or my mindset in the way that I'm approaching Tesla, again, because of the position size. Now, when it comes down to Apple, I think that this thing has more to do with the overall influence of the market. The market's been red pretty much, or been selling off for the past 2 weeks. So it makes a lot of sense on why we're seeing lower lows and lower highs, especially with Apple. Again, big focus on the NASDAQ is /NQ, and that's tech. And Apple definitely falls under that category because it's been absolutely killing. So although it has been selling off, I would not mind buying more because, let's be honest, big picture, I think Apple should be just fine. But wanted to provide you guys with updates what I plan to do with my long-term plays and provide you with the overall general idea of why it's so important to watch that position size. I have a little challenge for you, and trust me, I get if you're not going to want to do this. But if you are not doing well with your long-term plays, if you are not doing well, especially, think about this, with your day trades, I challenge you to trade with half the dollar amount that you are trading with right now. What's 1 week? What's 1 week out of a year, 2 years, the lifetime that you have to trade? If you really want to do this for the rest of your life, put it to the test. Challenge yourself to trade with less to see if it encourages you to focus on what's most important, and that's the actual trade opportunity or investment opportunity itself. The last thing that I want to leave you guys with is you guys have been asking for the update on the TechBuds Apparel drop, and today is our new drop. So it's the Wall Street collection. We have everything from our shirts, long sleeves, and our hoodies. If you guys pay attention and look a little bit closer, you guys can see that they're not normal hoodies, but the actual Wall Street is fabric, so it's like a fuzzy sweater. We thought it'd be pretty clean, pretty simple design, and they come in 3 different colors: the white, the mint, and then the black, of course, to give it that clean, sleek design. So all of this is now available with a third link down below on Shop TechBuds. It ships within and gets to your house within 3 to 5 days. We do offer international shipping, but of course there's a small fee for that. Everything else includes free shipping. So if you guys want to check that out, just make sure you click that third link down below. On top of that, if you guys haven't joined our free Facebook group, that's that first link down below. And like always, if you want to watch me trade live as soon as Monday, make sure you click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group, and when and if you're ready, we'll see you guys at Market Open on Monday. Until then, I hope that we earned your thumbs up. I hope that you can consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.